Hello everyone, my name is Kapil Kumar and I'm working as a technical manager in Heinrich and taking care all the technical and R&D department in Heinrich. As Farman sir already given you the explanation about our IPPA system, their application, their features. Okay, so now I will tell you about our IPPA software, how we can configure the system through our IPPA software and what features we have in our IPPS software. Okay, so first of all, I will start from the installation. As you can see my screen, first there is a setup file. Okay, uh, first you need to run this file and then this kind of window will open on your screen. That's welcome to IP public address system setup wizard. Then just you need to click on next. After that, then you need to through LAN, then all the system will be connected over a single LAN and you can control all the equipments from a centralized location. Okay. You just need to put a PC there and just need to connect the PC with the same network uh, at which network you install all the IP equipments. Okay. Then just you need to, at the time of IP, means when you given the IP to the equipments like IP amplifier, IP speakers, when you are giving the IP to that equipments, you need to give one server IP also, which referred to the software PC IP. Okay, so same IP you need to configure that PCs. For example, you configure 192.168.1.100 IP in all the equipment as a server IP. Same IP you need to configure in your PC, which you put it at the centralized location or control center. Same IP you need to given that PC. Okay, through in the internet protocol option of the PC. After that, you can cross check the all the equipment by pinging their IP address to that PC. Like for example, you given the IP address 192.168.1.1 to any speaker, so you can cross check it by pinging the IP address of equipments. Okay. After that, after installation, this kind of icon you it will be show on your desktop. IP cast. Okay, so when you open this software, it will this kind of screen will come like basic setting and media server address. Here you need to select the same address which you given to your PC. Okay, it will be registered as a server IP address to the software. Okay, then these are the basic settings. Okay, like media server address is first of, then time for pre-open power. This time is that the when you suppose you are scheduling any task through the software, so before executing that task, you can set your equipment that pre-power. For example, like your equipment is in standby mode, there is no announcement, nothing is going on. Okay, so you can set the pre-power timing that before executing any scheduled program, your system will be warm up. Okay, before 5 seconds or 10 seconds, your system will be warm up. Okay, then there is a trouble volume option. You can set the trouble volume of all the equipments through the software, base volume of the all the equipments of through software. Then there is a one forward service configuration settings available in the software, where you need to select the same IP of the same IP as you given the PC. Okay, because if you not select this forward service configuration, then yours whatever service you want to send to the any equipment through software, it will be not land to that equipment if you didn't select this forward service configuration. Okay, so you need to fill same IP here also. Server IP, as I already told you, the IP which you given your PC, you need to enter here. IP connect to server, same IP you need to given here, and IP connect to IP speaker, same IP you need to given here also. Then you need to allow and press the OK button. Then for taking the effects so that your all the equipments come online in the software, for that you need to restart the service. Okay, after that only you will take the effect. So first of all, you need to go in service, then stop, then restart the service. Okay, then your all the equipments will be whatever equipments you connected on the network, all will become online in the IP speaker status like this. Okay, this will be here, all the IPs of the equipments will be shown like this. Okay, you can give the name of the equipments also through IP speaker settings. Like suppose you have 10 or 15 devices in different locations, or IP speakers in different locations. You can give the a name to that speakers, like for example, you have installed 15 speakers in factory. Okay, and different area in different area. One area is packaging area, one area is warehouse area, one area is manufacturing area. So you can give name to that speaker from here. Okay, that this speaker installed in warehouse. So you can give the warehouse speaker like this. You can give the name also for identification. Then there is a volume setting for the speakers. Like you can set the volume of IP speakers or IP controllers from here. Then there is a bi-direction and unidirection option is available for, like if you are using two-way communication system like our IP intercom system, then you need to select bi-direction. If you are using our one-way communication system like IP amplifiers, IP speaker only, where you can't do two-way communication, then you need to select only unidirection option. Okay, then there is an option of call number. Call number means the call number, like in mobile phone. If you want to talk with someone, or if you want to give any message to someone, you need to enter or dial the number of the receiver person. Same thing you need to do here, like for make any the announcement in any speaker or any controller, you need to give the call number to that controller or that speaker, and then you need to call that number from the IP microphone. Okay, which is our IP call station. You need to just dial the number. Like for example, you give one number to one IP speaker. Okay, then you just need to dial the one in your IP call station and then press the call. The call will be land on that speaker, and you can make the announcement on that speaker. Okay. So, and after that, there is default call priority option or call center option. Call center option is for our single button IP intercom system. Like for that, we just need to give their their call number with a hashtag, so that their call will be land only at the call center or command center where your call station will be uh, installed. Okay, because in what happen in single button microphone, there is no dialing pad, so you can dial the number of call station or control center. So for that you can enter that equipment call number here with the call center with hashtag, so that whenever you press that button, your call will be land at control center only. Then there is a call priority option. In call priority, you can give the priority to each and every equipment. Suppose you are talking with one microphone to with one speaker, okay, and same time another from another microphone another person will want to talk with that speaker. If their microphone priority is high, then he will be able to override your call and give their announcement, okay. But if their priority is low, then they will not able to override your call and give their announcement. It will be give the busy indication if their priority is low. So you can select the priority of each equipment from here. Then default login ID. Default login ID means our each and every controller which have display, like our IP amplifier have display. So for configuring the all like volumes or IP address through the display of the IP amplifier or IP intercom, there is one login ID they want. So you can set their login ID here also. Okay. Then there is a group option. Group option means you can make a group of number of terminals of number of IP speakers or number of call stations or number of IP adapters or IP controllers. It means like I already told you previously, for make announcement you need to dial the number, okay. But if you want to make the announcement in multiple locations or multiple speakers at the same time, then you can create a group of multiple speakers and you can give only single call number to all these speakers, okay. Suppose you had 10 terminals in a group or 10 speakers in a group and you give the call number 11, okay. So whenever you dial 11 in your call station, the call will be go in all the selected 10 speakers, okay. So this is this kind of group settings we have in our IP software. Then terminal monitoring and control. So, here you can monitor all the qubits which are installed in your field area. Here you can monitor that your system is working or not. It is online or offline. Is there any session is going on that speaker or IP controller, or it is everything you can monitor here, okay. That is what is the volume level, what is the IP address, what is it is connected with network, or this kind of, if it is offline, then this kind of icon will be came. Or you can select you want to see online controllers or speakers, or offline controllers and speaker, or both online and offline. So here you can do all the complete monitoring of the system. Then we have more features in our IP software. I'm sharing one more screen with you, okay, about more features of our IP software. So So this is our IPPA software. Okay, when you open our software, it will show like this: welcome to IP Disable PA system. Then our one more thing, our software is license based. Okay, so whenever you install the software, you need to configure the registration also. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to go in help. You just need to go in help. Then there is license information. Then you need to go in license information. And there two kinds of registration is available. Either soft registration or hard registration. In soft registration, you will get one key for the registration. Okay. And in hard registration, you will get one dongle key for the hard registration. And this registration will be one time only. There is no renewable basis that you need to renew the license or registration at every 6 months or every 1 year. There is no this kind of thing. It is one time only. Okay, as basic settings I already told you. Then there is user management. In user management, you can create multiple users for accessing our system in same network from different locations. Okay, you can connect any a PC or laptop in same network at any other location, and you can access by creating different users. Okay, so this kind of facility we have. There is no limitation of user. You can create n numbers of users also in our software for accessing our system from any other location. Then IP speaker settings, as I already told you, here you can give the name, terminal IP, call number, default call priority, and login ID, as I already told this thing. Then group settings I already explained. Then one region configuration also we have. What is region configuration? In group settings, you can group the multiple speakers or multiple controllers and make a call for announcement for making the announcement in multiple location at the same time. But in region configuration, you can create like a map for suppose you have factory. Okay, and in factory there is multiple locations, and you can how you can identify that this speaker is installed in this area, this speaker is installed in this area. So you can create reason for that thing. You just need to give the name. For example, like you have a warehouse, you just need to create warehouse reason. Then there you can select the terminals, whatever terminals here is installed in the warehouse area, just you need to select here. Okay, and select after that you need to select the terminal, then press the OK. All the selected with terminals will be show here, and just you need to press the OK. So this kind of tree you can create for multiple locations for identification that this speaker is installed in this area, this speaker is installed in this area, this controller is installed in this area, like this. Okay, IP speaker status is for monitoring. As I already told you that here you can do all the monitoring of the equipments, like system is working or not, system is online or not, is any season is going on or not. Here you can do this kind of thing. Okay, in IP speaker status, in IP speaker status you can see individual equipment monitoring. Okay, but in IP speaker state you can see the monitoring of group, region, and individual equipments also. Okay, so here you can monitor group, region, and individual also, all the three things. Season status means if there is any season is going on in your IP equipments, then there is in this season you can show season status. You can show the season that this season is going on, and what is the who is the owner, and which kind of season is going on. Either broadcasting, scheduling, either triggering from fire alarm system. So this kind of season status you will get here. Play Studio. In Play Studio, you can broadcast any file. As you can see there, we have three options: file play, real time, or test broadcast. In file play, you can play any recorded file in any speaker or number of speakers or number of terminals at the same time. Okay, you just need to go in menu, need to select the file, add music or add file. Okay, after that you can select the music in MP3 format or wave format. Okay, Then you need to select the terminals in which you want to make the announcement, okay, or group. If you want to make the announcement or broadcast in a group, you can select the group also. Then you need to press the OK. Then there will be one task will be created, and it will be show here task type, task name, and task status. Okay, then after that you just need to select that task and press the start button. The created task will be started in the selected area or selected speakers. Okay, and selected file will be play in that speakers, and you can start or stop or pause from here. Okay, and also control the volume of that task. Then is real time. In real time, you can make the announcement or broadcast any message real time. Means from your PC, you can make the announcement at real time. Okay, just you need to select the sound card. Okay, suppose your PC have one microphone sound card. Okay, you just need to select the sound card. First refresh the list. Then there is whatever sound card you have in your PC, all will be show. Okay, or you can use any external source or also, like you can put media player also with your PC as a sound card. Okay, after that, after selecting the sound card, yeah, after selecting sound card, you just need to select the terminals in which you want to make the real-time announcement. Okay, then just you need to press the OK. After OK, you need to start as file play, same kind of task created here as real time. You just need to select the task and press the start button. The real time task will be executed, and you can make the announcement from your PC or any sound card or any media source at real time. Then we have test to broadcast option. In text to broadcast, you can create any text into voice and then you can broadcast. Okay, first of all, what you need to do, you need to select any test file. Suppose I have any text file, I need to select that. Okay, then I need to open that, and then I need to select the terminals. Okay, in which terminal I want to make the announcement. Okay, then after that, I need to select the voice. We have inbuilt two voices in our software. One is Hazel, one is Zaira. We have two voices. You can select any. You can select any voice from this, and speed. Speed, like you want what speed you want that voice. You can select here also, and then press the OK button. Then your text will be convert in the voice message, and it will be show here. Then you just need to select the task and just need to start. Your text is converted in speech, and it will be broadcast in all the selected areas or selected terminals. So this is all about real-time text to broadcast speech and file play. How you can file play in our through our software, how you can make real-time announcement through our software, how you can make text to speech broadcast from our software. So after that, we have scheduling option. In scheduling, we have two types of scheduling. One is ring. In ring, what you can do, you can create a ring. Okay, like you just need to create one new profile with a name. Okay, then you need to select the task. Okay, then you just need to add whatever file you want to play in the ring. Suppose you want that this time this ring will be play, and it will be play after 10 seconds, after 20 seconds. So this kind of ring you can create. Like in lunchtime there is one message which should be play. In evening for leave there is one ring will be play. So this kind of ring you can create in our software. Then scheduling option. Scheduling means if you want to play any certain message at a certain time, so this kind of schedule you can create in our software. Then collection broadcast. For example, you want collection broadcast as a certain time, like from this time, yeah, this program has to be executed, and it will be go for along with the collection. Like you have a collection of musics, okay, you have different types of musics, okay, multiple music source. So you want that music should be play in schedule in loop mode, like one by one, like this. So you can make collection broadcast for that. In report, you can download the all the seasons, whatever going on in last. Matlab, this facility is like a log of the all these equipments, like in which equipment what an kind of announcement is going on in last 1 week or last all the logs will you will find here, and after you can make a print of that log also in Excel file. Then media management is same kind of thing, like you can create any media folder here. You just need to select the path for the media, like you can select any folder or any file that this media should be available in your. You have some certain fixed messages that this message you want to play in every week or every 2 days or every 3 days. So for that you can create the media management in our software also. In local library, you can create library of the multiple media, means multiple music sources or multiple media sources. You can create one library, like you for one library you can have one path, for different library you have one path. So this kind of media library you can create in our software also. This is all about our software, IPPA broadcasting software. So thank you very much for your cooperation. Thanks.
Hello everyone, Salman again. So this is all about our IPPA system. Hope you have, hope your purpose is resolved and you have gained some knowledge from our side. And if you have any query now regarding the system, regarding the software, you can ask us now.
Hi Farhan, this side Umesh. I want to know these features that is text to voice message is possible in Nagpur Metro project.
Yes, sir, it is available there.
Okay.
And sir, you can directly contact our mobility team, Mukesh.
Okay. But in a start we have no idea about this, and we are taking audio clip from other side. Then we were able to transfer any voice message. Currently it is available.
Yes, sir, it is available in our system. So it can be done, sir, and it can be executed in that project as well, sir.
Okay.
Abhinav, you have some queries you are asking at that time. So you can ask now if you have any queries. Thank you so much, all of you, to joining this training and taking out time from your busy schedule.